Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to find your crypto wallet address. First, it's important to identify what kind of wallet you are using. There are generally two main categories: software wallets and hardware wallets. Software wallets are digital applications you install on your phone or computer, offering convenience for everyday transactions. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, are physical devices designed for enhanced security, keeping your private keys offline. Knowing your wallet type is the first crucial step in locating your unique address. If you're using a software wallet, the process is quite straightforward. Begin by opening your wallet application on your device. Once inside, look for a section typically labeled Receive or Deposit. After clicking this, you'll usually be prompted to select the specific cryptocurrency you intend to receive, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Your unique wallet address will then be clearly displayed, often as a long string of alphanumeric characters and a scannable QR code. This is the address you'll share to receive funds. For hardware wallet users, the steps are slightly different but equally simple. First, connect your physical hardware wallet to your computer using its designated cable. Next, open the companion software or application provided by your hardware wallet manufacturer. Within this application, you'll select the specific cryptocurrency for which you want to find the receiving address. The address will then be securely displayed both on your hardware device's small screen and within the companion software, ensuring you can verify it. When dealing with crypto wallet addresses, a few critical points are essential to remember. Always, and I mean always, double-check the address before initiating any transaction to prevent irreversible loss of funds. It's also vital to understand that different cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have entirely distinct wallet address formats. Furthermore, never, under any circumstances, share your private key or seed phrase. These are the keys to your funds. A standard Bitcoin address, for example, is usually between 26 and 35 alphanumeric characters long.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.